Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 15 that has been taken from exercise 6.1, chapter 6, application of derivative. The question is the total cost Cx in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when x equal to 17 units are produced. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that here I shall write given that C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when x equal to 17 units are produced. So we know that the marginal cost is the rate of change of total cost with respect to the output. Here we can see that with the production of x unit of an item means production of x units of an item means output will be x units. So here I shall write hence the number of outputs equal to x units. Again I shall write hence C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Here again I shall write dWRT x. So we shall get d over dx implied that d over dx of C of x equal to 0.007 dot d over dx of x cube minus 0.003 dot d over dx of x square plus 15 dot d over dx of x plus d over dx of 4000. Again I shall write implied that here d over dx of c of x. So here in central function c is available, in denominator x are available. C and x are different, that's why d will be conjugated with c, comes out to be dc over dx equal to 0.007 dot d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square minus 0.003 dot d over dx of x square comes out to be 2x plus 15 I shall write d over dx comes out to be 1 and d over dx of 4000 comes out to be 0. Here again I shall write imply that dc over dx equal to 3 will multiply to 0.007 comes out to be 0.021. 3 7 are 21. I shall write 0 this one. Here I shall write x square minus here 0.003 will multiply to 2 comes out to be 0.006 x I shall write plus 15 this one I shall write. Now at x equal to 17 units, so here I shall write at x equal to 17 units imply that dc over dx input x equal to 17 0.021 17 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 0.006 डॉट 17 प्लस 15 comes out to be 0.021 289 minus 0.006 17 plus 15. Now here 0.021 will multiply to 289. So let us see what result comes out to be. Here 289 will be multiplied to 21. So here write 9, 8, 2. And 2 will multiply to 9 comes up to 2 9 ja 18, remainder will be 1. 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17, 1. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5, 8 this one 9, 8 8 16, 1 8 0 6. So we have got here I shall write equal to 6069. So here write 6069. here point will be written because after decimal 3 digits are available, 1, 2, 3. That's why this decimal will be put at this place. 6.069 plus 17 will multiply to 6. 7 6 ja 42, 6 4 10. We shall get 102. Here I shall write 102. Here write point 0.102. 3 digits are there after decimal, plus 15 I shall write. Now add are this thing. Now we shall add 0.069. Again I shall write 0.102, or again I shall write 15. All these will be added together. So we shall get, let us see, some mistakes I have committed here. Just I shall check from the answer key points. 102, 0.6. Now these things will be added together. 6.069 plus 0.102 dot 15. So here I have written, here this one is minus. Why minus? Because here you can see 0.021 will multiply to 289, comes out to be 6.069. Minus, here minus is available, so here I write minus. 0.006 will multiply to 17, comes out to be 0.102 plus 15 I shall have. Now what I shall do here, 6.069 minus 0.102 I shall do. Let us see. Here write 7, here write 6, here write 9, here write 5. All 15 will be added. You will get here 20.967. So here I shall write 20.967 rupees. $20.967. So here we have got DC over dx input x equal to 17. We have got 20.967 rupees. Therefore, we have got marginal cost MC is equal to DC over dx x is equal to 17 equal to reach 20.967 will be the correct answer we have got. This will be the correct answer we have got. MC, marginal cost is equal to DC over dx input x equal to 17, comes out to be reach 20.967. This will be the correct answer we have got here. Hence, the marginal cost when x is equal to 17 units are produced, MC is equal to dc over dx input x equal to 17 comes out to be rupees 20.967. That will be correct answer of question number 15, exercise 6.1, chapter 6, application of derivative. Okay guys, thanks.